Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you in a good health. Today we are going to learn a new topic. It is about addition of three numbers. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve a problem of addition of three numbers by using a different method of standard written method. Now, what is mean of addition of three numbers? Addition of three numbers is when you have three different numbers consecutively and you need to find the total of all the number altogether. Now, I have a situation. Let's say we have three different people. We have Siti, Abu, and Ali. All of them has sweets with different numbers. Let's say Siti has 60 sweets, Abu has 34 sweets, and Ali has 27 sweets. Now, can you tell me what is the total number of all their sweets altogether? To get this answer, what we need to do is you need to add all the three numbers. That means 60 you need to plus with 34 and then plus with 27 equals to how much? To get the answer actually, we can use so many ways. However, as I mentioned earlier, today we will only focus on standard written method. I will teach you three different standard written method. Now, let's find the answer by using the first method. We call it as method 1. For this method, what we need to do is we need to plus the first number with the second number first, and after get the answer, we need to bring the answer to the next side and plus with the third number. Let me show you. Oh, before that, don't forget to arrange all the number according to their place value. We have hundreds, tens, and ones. So, we start with the first number, 60, plus with the second number, which is 34. And then, you find the answer first. Start from ones, 0 plus 4 equals to 4. And then, for the tens, 6 plus 3 equals to 9. We get 94. But don't forget, we still have another one number over here. So, you bring the answer to the next side. Same with the place value hundreds, tens, and ones. And then, you write back the answer. It is 94. You plus with the third number. It is 27. Now, you plus all these two numbers to get the answer. Start from ones. 4 plus 7 equals to 11. You write down 1 and bring up another 1 to the tens. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. You write down 2 and bring the 1 to the hundreds. 1 plus nothing equals to 1. So, the answer is 121. Now, with the same questions, I will show you the second method that we can use. We call it as method 2. For this method, we need to plus all the three numbers in a single standard written method. Write down the place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then, we write all the three numbers in one standard written method. Start with the first number, 60. With the second number, you plus 34. And then, the third number is 27. Now, you need to plus all these numbers together. And get the answer. As usual, start from ones. 0. With plus 4, we get 4. And then, plus with 7, we get 11. You write down 1 here and bring up the other one to the tens. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 3 is 10. And then you plus with 2, you get 12. Write down 2, and then bring up another one, 200s. 1 plus nothing, you get 1. See, the answer is still 121. Even though we use different method, method 1 and method 2. Now, let me show you another example. Let's say I have 132 plus with 106 plus with 75 equals to. So, to solve these questions, I will try to use method 1 first. Did you still remember that I showed you earlier, when we do method 1, we need to separate this number into two different standard written method, which is, we write down the place value first, 100, tens, and ones, and then we plus the first number with the second number first, it's 132. You plus with the second number, 106. Get the answer first. For ones, 2 plus 6 equals to 8. For tens, 3 plus 0 equals to 3. And then for hundreds is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now, what we should do now? Yes, you need to bring the answer 238 to the next slide. You copy back the answer 238, you plus with the last number, 75. Where should I write the 75? Is it from hundreds, tens, or ones? Yes, you need to write the 5 at the ones, and then 7 at the tens, because it's 75. Then, you plus all the number. Start from ones, 8 plus 5, you get 13. Write down 3, bring up 1 to tens. Now, for tens, 1 plus 3 equals to 4, and then 4 plus 7 equals to 11. Write down 1 here and bring up 1 to hundreds. For hundreds, 1 plus 2 equals to 3. You plus with nothing, equals to 3. The answer is 313. Now, we compare this answer with method 2. Remember, for method 2, we need to plus all these three numbers in one standard written method. So, write down all the three numbers. Start with the first number, 132. With the second number, 106. And then, with the last number, 75. You plus all these numbers all together. Alright, start with ones. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. And then you plus with 5, you get 13. Write down 3 here. Bring up 1 to tens. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then you plus with 7 equals to 11. Put 1 here and bring up 1 to the next side. 400s. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Plus with another 1 equals to 3. Plus nothing, still 3. So, can you see the answer? For method 1, we get 313. For method 2, we also get 313. To make sure that you really understand this lesson, I will give you another example. Now, let's say I have 409 plus with 83 plus with 200 equals to how much? I would like to remind you, for addition, it doesn't matter how the number is arranging. For example, like these questions, the number is not arranging from the biggest to the smallest. That means for addition, you just need to plus the number according to its position, which is the first number with the second number with the third number. Now, let's solve these questions by using method 2. Remember, for method 2, we need to plus all these together. Start with the first number. It is 409 with the second number 83. Where should we write 83? Yes, the 3 under the 9 and then 8 under the 0. Plus with the last number 200. Start with the ones. 9, you plus with 3, you get 12, and then you plus with 0, still 12. Write down 2 and bring up 1 to the next side. For tens, 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 8 is 9, plus 0 is 9. And then for the hundreds, 4, you plus with nothing, 4 plus with 2, 6. So, you get 692. Let's compare this answer if we use method 1. What is method 1? We need to separate the number to two standard written method. So, let's do the first number and the second number first. It is 409. You plus with 83. Get the answer. For ones, 9 plus 3 equals to 12. Write down 2 and bring up 1 to tens. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 8 is 9. And then for hundreds, 4 plus nothing equals to 4. Did we done with this? Yes, we're not done yet. What we need to do is bring this answer to the next slide for another standard written method. Alright. We have 492 plus with the last number 200. And then get the answer. For ones, 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 9 plus 0 equals to 9. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Did we have the same answer? Yes, the answer is 692. Since we only focusing on doing standard written method, I have an extra knowledge for you. Let's say I have 52 plus 23 plus with 14. I know you already can do method 1 and method 2. Now it's time for me to introduce to you method 3. Yes, we have another method and we call it as method 3. Let me show you how to do method 3. For method 3, you need to plus the first number with the second number first, and then after you get the answer, you plus with the third number. It most likely method 1, but we do it in a single standard written method like method 2. How? Alright, so do the place value first, and then take the first number 52, write it according to its place value 52, plus with the second number 23. Remember, I told you, you get the answer first for these two numbers. For ones, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. And then for tens, 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now, when you get this answer, no need to bring to the other side. It just, you add the third number at the bottom part. It is 14. And then you plus again. Alright, so for the second addition, you don't look at the top part. Just look at the bottom part. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. And then 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So the answer is 89. Now, if you don't trust this method, why not? We check again with method 1. So, we do one by one. What we have is 52 plus with the second number 23 and then get the answer. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. And then bring the answer to the next side. Which is 75. You plus with the third number 14. Get the answer. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. See? It's still 89. However, for method 3, we do this in one standard written method, and for method 1, we separated it. Okay? Alright, last but not least, I have last example for you, which is example 5. Let's say I have 704 plus with 98 plus with 198 equals to how much? For this time, I will show you how to find the answer for these questions by using all the three methods. We start with method 1. We have 704. Okay. Plus with the second number 98. Don't forget the place value. Alright. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Write down 2, bring up 1 to the next side. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 9 is 10. Write down 0 and bring up 1 to the next side. 1 plus 7 equals to 8. 802. Copy the answer. 802 plus with the last number 198. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Write down 0, bring out 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and plus 9 equals to 10. Write down 0 and bring out 1. 1 plus 8 equals to 9, and then you plus with 1 equals to 10. We get 1000. Now, let's compare this answer with method 2. For method 2, remember, we plus all the three numbers together. Start with the first number, 704. You plus with the second number, 98. And with the third number, 198. Now, get the answer. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. You plus with 8, you get 20. Write down 0, bring up 2 to the next side. 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 9, 11, and then plus 9 equals to 20. Write down 0, and then you bring up 2 to the next side. 2 plus 7 equals to 9, plus with nothing 9, plus with 1 equals to 10. The answer is 1000. Now, let's do method 3. We need to add the first number with the second number first. 704 plus with 98. 4 plus 8 equals to 12. Write down 2, bring up 1 to the next side. 1 plus 0 is 1, and then you plus with 9 equals to 10. Write down 0, bring up 1 to the next side. 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Did we done? Yes, not done yet. What we need to do is, you take the third number and write down there. 198 plus this again. Remember, as I told you before, don't look at the top part because you already plus this thing. So you close it and just look at the bottom part, which is 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Write down 0, bring up 1 to here. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 9 is 10. Write down 0 and bring up 1 to the next side. 1 plus 8 equals to 9, plus 1 equals to 10. Yeah, we get the answer is 1000. So, based on today's lesson, you can use 3 different methods to solve addition of 3 numbers. However, it's up to you, either you want to use method 1 or method 2 or method 3. As long as you can get the answer. I hope all of you understand today's lesson. That's all, and thank you.